Hello guys, welcome back to another live stream. Oh my god, I sound so down, bro. Oh my god. I don't know if anyone is watching right now, but today I just wanted to keep working on this the little project of mine for tuning the guitar, and it's not a good day, but I just want to keep these streams consistent and just want to show myself that I'm on the grind. So we're just streaming, and yeah. If you ask why I sound like this, that's why. But regardless, we are back, and we're just gonna keep working on this project. There are good times and bad times in life, and the grind does not really care about that. So yeah, give me a second, I'm gonna just sip some water and we're gonna just jump right into it. I just need to get distracted, so that's why. So yesterday I split this project into workspaces. Today I wanna fix the... oh, what is this? Damn, do I still have some binary? What? Oh, I'm not in the directory, that's why. Okay, so today I want to like fix this pitch detection, because it's not... it just shows the note as it reads it, and that's not nice, because just imagine you're playing guitar. It just shows everything real time, you know, which is okay, but that's not what we want. I'm gonna show you what I mean in a second. I don't know why it's taking so much time. It's just the... oh. What did I do? Alright, there you go. So, if I play... why is it playing on my headphones? Okay, it's not playing. Give me a second. So, play. Something is wrong on this thing. What the hell? For some reason, this website does not work anymore. But yeah, the point is, there's like too much noise here, which is something that I don't like. There's this noise because if you look at the code, it's very straightforward. In a loop, you just run some samples through an FFT, and then find a fundamental frequency, and then you just like show them right after that, and this loop is just running very frequently. That's why there's this noise. The embedded logic is the same. So if I go here, just reading some samples here, and it calculates the lapse time for the sample rate. And yeah, that's the whole logic actually. I have my vibe coding assistant here, so I'm gonna ask that question. For TTY, let's just give the whole main function and describe the problem. Actually, I described the problem here. Doesn't have to be a delay. Any other solution also works. I don't know how guitar tuners do it typically. Flickering, yes, that's what's happening. Rolling average. Low pass filter. There's so many things. Yeah, this is a good one. Give me the code for this. So you're gonna filter, or not a filter, we're gonna apply some things before we show them. So a history buffer using that, and hysteresis, amplitude threshold. Interesting. Okay, give me the full code. Full module right now. Here is what I have right now. Today's music is the best tech and music DJ mix, so it's pretty cool. Frequency to note name. I don't really need that actually. But okay, let's just give this a try and see if it nailed it or not. Frequency to node name. Why are we calling that? Okay, two things. Remove this function and use the pitchy crate instead. And the second thing is draw node. Here the node should be F64. I don't think I'm using AI effectively for stuff like this, but I don't know, man. I think it works. Smooth frequency. Alright. Looks so messy, but I'm gonna give it a try. Pitchy is not available. I think it's not a workspace dependency. To be honest, I don't want to use pitchy in this crate, but I guess we're gonna just do that for now. Okay, all seems good. I'm just gonna run it without even checking the code. Pitch detector, what the that's just hallucination, dude. What the hell? There's no such thing as pitch detector. This code is so bad, by the way. What is this supposed to return? There's no such thing. There's no such thing as this. Actually, the previous code was not that bad. I think I can just use that without this function. Smoothed frequency. You can just use smoothed frequency here. And for this conversion, just use pitchy note new or something. And I guess name. What is this thing returning? String. Wait a minute. Dude, what the hell? Option string and option string. This should be comparable. Okay, last stable node. Okay, let's just run it. I don't know. Stable count. Wow, that's bad. Okay, I should probably run this here. Smoothed frequency. Oh shit. Okay. All right. Now online tone generator. I don't know why this is no longer working. Can I believe that there's some ads on this website? Nope, nothing's working. I see no no notes That I don't know if that's a good thing. Okay, I somehow need to play something. How to play a certain that's using Linux command line. Maybe a play. I don't know if I have this command. Yeah, I need to install it. Okay, let's install it then. But it plays it on my headphones. I don't want to do that. Help. Play it on speaker. Hello, welcome. Exists for a while. I hope you're not gonna exist for a while and just gonna stick through the entire live stream. Just doing good. How about you? Okay, this socks command is not. The socks program is not allowing me to set the device. Default sound device. Set audio device. Okay. That's cool, but I don't know which audio device actually I need to set here. List devices. Oh my god. What is this music, by the way? Not complaining at all. It's just great music. I think it fits the theme of this live stream very well. Just debugging some audio stuff. I don't know why I have all of these things actually. But let's try DS. What was the dude, which one is it? I have no fucking idea. Why isn't my phone working, man? I just need a sine wave and that's all. It's not playing. Wait, I have an idea. Maybe something's wrong with my in page. What is it called? The browser. Inline. No, not inline. So weird. Are you a native English speaker? What do you think? How do I sound like to you? It's not. I'm not bashing you. Just a genuine question. Should I just download like a sine wave MP3 and then just play that on my phone maybe? Because I cannot figure this out, to be honest. Like I'm literally just trying to like play this tone and it's not working. God damn it, dude. Why is everything so hard? Sound native, thanks. I hope that's a compliment. I'm not a native English speaker at all. English is my second language. I know a little bit of German. As every person in Turkey who has a German has a relative in Germany too. But okay, I cannot play anything here. And also, wait, I can just play the guitar, man. What the fuck am I doing? Just gonna play the guitar, guys. Found a solution. Okay. The thing is, okay, another inconvenience is that the cable is not working. The jack is not working, so I gotta play the guitar now. That's just fucking hell, man. Inconvenience after inconvenience. What is this live stream? Tone generator. Okay, listen, I can do this. I'm gonna just go here, play this, right, and select this one. Okay, what the fuck? Just mute this for now. I can only play this on my headphones for some reason. Okay, speakers. Now it's doing something. Finally. Alright, so it's not working. That's the verdict. It's literally playing A4 and it's not showing A4 here. Just to show you that it was working before, I'm gonna stash the changes, run this again. So now, A4, there you go. But when I talk, it just shows some random. Just gonna change this threshold maybe. Maybe changing the threshold will do something. Okay, it showed A4 for a second. What if I just remove this RMS thing? It's literally A4. Why are you not showing A4, man? It's Table count. Maybe it's because of this. Okay, I'm just gonna remove it. Smoothest frequency. I think fundamental frequency. Max history, where is that? Okay, 5. So this is gonna use 5 samples, which is I think should be better. Dude, I don't get it, like gets the fundamental frequency, just adds them to a WEC DQ. Gets the smoothed frequency then. Just draws it, like what's wrong here? Maybe it's because it's not getting the note name or something. Doesn't make sense. I think I'm losing my mind here. What if I just render a block with the note? Just the format of note. Not the name, dude. Just a note as a debug. I just want to see what I'm getting here, because it's very annoying. I remember I tried the same logic with the embedded, but it didn't work again for some reason. The music is bussin' today, man. Okay, look at the frequency. Okay, dude. You know what? I think I'll just write my own logic here. I'm just gonna write my own logic here. Give me only the WEC EQ logic. Alright. So we're gonna collect five notes, note history, right? Let's do that. And here, after we get the fundamental frequency, we're gonna create the note. New fundamental frequency. If let's some name, note name. So if you're able to get the note name from this, just push back. If you're not, then don't clear it actually. Yeah, don't clear it. Not the what? Just the name, bro. Not F64. I need a string. And actually no. Oh, I can just Fundamental frequency. Let's do that. And when we are supposed to, when we are drawing the note, get the most repeated note in the history. Oh my god, that's horrible. Dude, what is this music? It's banging. Max by key. Okay, whatever. Note names. Okay. Actually, no. Why is it using an accumulator here, man? Entry. Hash is not implemented for F64. What does that mean? You cannot compare floats. Can't I compare floats? What the hell? I need to round them. Damn. Yeah. We're gonna lose some precision here, but I guess it's worth it. Okay, most frequent node in the last 5 nodes. Why is it an option? Just unwrap it, dude. Okay, this should work better if my logic is correct. Let's see. Unwrapping was a bad idea. Okay, this is pretty bad. Actually, no, it's pretty stable now. Well, it's not detecting a certain node, it's just bad. It's not flickering anymore, that's cool. My only question right now is, what if I should clear the node history? Maybe I can just pop back. All right. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Why are we rounding again? Hello, Ferris. What's up? I think we're losing some precision. We're losing some precision, guys. Most freaking node. What is your favorite color? Blue feels for me modern and futuristic. I think black. My YouTube fixed names again. Yeah, it fixed names, but I see a weird label next to your name which says 2. What is that? Top fans. So yeah, you're my top second fan, Ferris, I guess. I don't know what that means. I hope that's a good thing. Hey, what the fuck is this crown? Yeah, I don't fucking know. You just became the #1 fan. You have 75 XPs. What the fuck? I don't know what that is supposed to mean, bro. I have no idea. So what is... Okay. What's the leaderboard? It plays 4 fans to stand out in the community. The top 3 get special badges in live chat. It resets every stream, so you can always try again. Okay. Cool. You have badges, guys. That's cool. Are you feeling like a fan of me yet? That's crazy, man. Just gamifying everything. Just gamify the shit out of everything, dude. I don't know what to say. Cool. For real, bro. Okay, I'm actually gonna apply the same logic in the embedded and see if it's gonna be better. We're just collecting 5 samples for now. Maybe if I do less or more, it will be better for embedded, because in the embedded realm, in this little fucker, we have some delay and it's not running as fast as the terminal, you know? We have some limitations. You cannot expect everything from this little device. So yeah. I'm thinking most freaking note. Yeah, okay, just let me just keep it this way for now. So let's apply the same thing. Max history. Alright, not the transform, what am I doing? Alright, in here, actually gonna... No, not fucking 100. That would be crazy. Max history. So what I have done here is just defining this variable somewhere, and after I get the... No, I don't need to do this separately. After I get the fundamental frequency, I'm just gonna push that to this WEC DQ, and while I'm drawing the note, which is here, I'm just gonna do that. That should work. Okay, embed it. Let's build it and see. Oh my god, it's gonna kill all my resources now. Let me kill Rust Analyzer without killing OBS. I hope that's gonna be easy. Okay, I killed the Rust Analyzer. Ferris, how are you doing, man? How's everything? I just called you a man, but that's not... I'm not trying to genderize you, you know what I'm saying? You're just a cat, I know, but we are human, so we just call each other man. But how are you doing, my man? Cat? How's everything? You're my #1 top fan, so gotta chat with you, you know? You're just blessing us with your existence. Also Eric, what's poppin'? How's everything, guys? Tell me about it. Doing fine. It's good to hear. I guess keep it up. I don't know what to say. I still don't like the fact that this is just this is using hash map and stuff. It's kind of ugly. It's not kind of ugly, it's ugly. First forever, nobody gonna stop me. Yeah, because 4 people watching the stream. It's not really hard to stop you from being the first fan here, but appreciate the excitement. Appreciate it. Okay, that's awesome. We just failed the build. I wonder where my moderator is. Ferris, you're gonna be assigned as a moderator if you keep being the #1 fan in the chat. You know that, right? Mods, they're not here. Transistor is not watching my streams anymore. It makes me kind of sad, but what are you gonna do, man? Alright, what the fuck? What is this? I didn't... Oh shit, I know why. Okay. I'm not using the... Okay. This is not the correct target folder. Actually, I need to set the target there. Yes. Yes, sir. Okay, now it will build. It's so weird that if you don't set... So, if I delete my target directory, it's gonna fail the build. It's just so fragile, dude. I have a special target folder just to be able to run this. Because you've seen this error, you know? If I run this in a fresh environment, it won't build. It's probably my fault, or it's probably Arch fault. No, Arch is perfect. I take that back. Arch is perfect, as always. My yapping level is through the roof today. Trying to escape the pain. Alright, so we have the target there. It's not gonna be able to flash this onto this little thing. So, but yeah, let's see if it's building first. Flashing it will take at least 2 minutes probably, so I'm not looking forward to it. I don't know why it's taking so much time. You know, when I was doing programming on microcontrollers, it was not taking that long, but as time progressed, things got worse, it seems, because now I'm waiting a lot of time. Okay, a bunch of imports are missing. Hash map. Where am I using the hash map actually? Okay, here. Yeah, I stopped the Rust analyzer. I shouldn't have done that, but yeah. Just import those in here. Build again. Doing great. I wipe coded a CLI tool in Rust for LMs that aggregates all modified code into a single file. Interesting. It's called RView. Interesting tool. A lot of wipe coding tools coming out, dude. They're unstoppable now. Workspace. AI is just giving me FOMO, man. I feel like I'm missing out on all the things that I'm not following very closely. It's definitely part of my life, but it's somewhere in my workflow, but I feel like it could be more efficient. But to be honest, I don't think I can catch up with everything. It's just not possible. I'm not super into AI, that's why. But I think everyone has FOMO. Everyone is just... I think everybody feels like they're missing out on the latest, greatest AI stuff. Man, ignorance is bliss. That's just the way it is. If I don't know anything, I'll be so happy. I just turned off my video because I need my USB port for flashing this. I'm actually gonna flash it in the release mode. I need a longer cable. Do I have a longer cable for this? Yeah, I think I have. Okay, that's cool. I just realized that I can put the chat onto the live stream, so I'm just gonna do that now. Okay, there you go. Refresh. Okay, get the chat window over here now. As always, taking forever. Oh, that's just... What? Okay, it has some extra stuff for verifying. Okay, I think it's because of the new version of ESP Flash. I just hopped on the ESP Flash package for Arch, and I updated it today. It was a pretty packed release, and it got faster, which makes me so happy. I feel like this is faster. I'm not sure. It feels faster. Or maybe the progress bar got smaller, so it it's like faster but not really fast. Faster. I don't fucking know, dude. It's just slow. Let's just accept it. Okay. Okay, something is fucked up. I'm gonna show you 1 second. Let me play some note. Wow. Something is really wrong here. It literally shows. Okay, I'm gonna play A4. Where's A4? A4. Holy shit, this is literally the Tekken menu song. Love this one. Holy shit, this is a nice mix. I'm just gonna turn it up a little bit. Does anybody know this song that is currently playing? It's Tekken 6 menu song, I think. It's crazy mix, man. Anyways, going back to this. Okay, G4 is now. I don't like this. It's just still showing a bunch of unrelated notes. I think I'm gonna increase the note history. I mean, look at this. Fundamental frequency. What is this, dude? Like 36? I think something is broken. What the hell is this? Like... Okay, this should be more precise. Okay, now showing A4, A3. G4, that's correct. Something is wrong here because I think I know what's wrong. Pixel size, I changed it by accident. It should be I think I accidentally changed that. Where is it? It was in main? No. Okay, wait a minute. Where? Quadrant. Oh. Quadrant full. Okay, I accidentally changed the pixel size. That's why it's just weird on the device. I can show you in a second when it's really good, but now it's just very weird. Maybe I should collect 20 samples. That would be better. I'm gonna actually run that here. So max history, let's do 20. And I can run it now. It's actually a bit slow now. Yeah, you see, that's very slow. It's related to sample size as well. Okay. It got kind of worse after I made it. After I made it 20 samples. Actually, was it like 10? This is a crazy mix, man, I'm telling you. Let me run this again. Okay. It's a bit slow like this. Let's try 7. It's a very arbitrary number, but At this point, I'm just tweaking. I'm just tuning my tuner. It's just crazy. I think 5 is good. And I can just ignore some of them. Not really. What if I don't ground? It's still a bit slow. And I think this is not correct because I'm not clearing the history at all. So maybe it would be better if I just apply something to FFT and then just get back a more clean result from the fundamental signal thing, fundamental frequency thing. I'm not sure. Can I apply something to FFT to get better results? Hello, what is going on here? Can you give a quick overview of the interface? Sure. I have a little device that I'm building that will be used as a tuner for my guitar. It's this little thing over here. Just reads the stuff and just shows the note. It runs in the terminal and on this little display. It looks like this on the terminal. And I was just trying to stabilize the pitch detection so it shows the correct note. Okay, hand window, it's suggest using that. I think I'll just revert the changes in TTY version. Normalize FFT data. Thank you, Cosmic Electron. Appreciate the comment. We're not doing many cool stuff as of now. Building this was fun, but now trying to fix things is not fun. Okay, apply a hand window. Okay, I guess it, yeah, whatever. I trust AI, dude. That should be correct. Okay, what? F64. Just F64 everything. What is this music, bro? Oh, it is fucked up. Okay, wait. Yeah, there you go. Sorry for the flashbang. Alright, I need to flash this, which means I need to turn on my video. Guys, I'm so poor. I don't have many USB ports, okay? I only have 2, so in order to flash this, I need to just disconnect my camera. But it's gonna be quick, I promise. Well, nobody's dying to see my face anyways. Except Ferris, maybe, if he's still watching. Buy more USB. How can I buy more USB, bro? I can buy this multiplier thing, but that's a scam. That's not gonna multiply the data. That's just for getting more power from your USB output. Download USB. Guys, you guys are living in a different reality than mine. Okay, now we're applying hand window function, and it's actually showing crazy things on my screen, but I'm gonna show you 1 second. It's showing fucking hell, dude. So I'm playing 350 hertz, and it's just showing like right now it shows 9,000 hertz on the UI. That's just crazy. I don't know what happened there, but the hand function is probably just wrong. That's probably why. Okay, let me just take this back. I don't think I'm playing a note in the 9. Well, look at this. Fundamental frequency 10,000. What the hell? Okay, window function didn't work. Maybe I can do that in TTY first. Okay, apply hand window. Okay. I don't know what is that, but I trust the AI. Let's see what's gonna happen now. Never trust AI, dude. This project has been coded using AI. I already trusted it. It already fucked. I mean, why is it flickering? Look, why is this happening? You cannot... I don't get it, like... A4 and... What is this showing actually? BaM. Ignore. Okay, maybe I need to ignore some values or something. It gave me some methods actually. Filter out low amplitude noise. Okay, let's try that. Filter out low amplitude noise. It's probably not gonna do anything, but that didn't work. Apply harmonic filtering. I don't know. Let me run this again. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, I need to fix this. Hold on. It shows like 10,000 still. 10,000 hertz is just crazy. Let's do 3. Let me flash this. Have you ever used DE like KD? Oh, DE desktop environment, KD GNOME. Is your favorite also? Is it i3? Yes, it is i3. I know. I've used Plasma. Yeah, I think that's KDE. I don't know. I used Plasma for a while. It was nice. It was alright. A bit slow, but fine. And other than that, not really. Okay. Okay, I have an idea. It's working fine, but I'm gonna ignore some frequencies. Especially the low ones, such as C1 and stuff like that. So yeah, I wanna ignore some low frequencies. What should be a good range for tuner? Lowest note E2. Cutoff this, high cutoff and 1000. Okay. Okay, that's good. Low cutoff 80. High cutoff 1000. Alright, this should be better now. It's not gonna go above 1000 hertz, I hope. I mean, what are you gonna play? Guys, I'm literally tuning the tuner. What is this? Just realized I can turn on my shitty camera. What up? Okay, so It's significantly better now. I think I'm gonna increase the high cutoff here. Make it maybe 2000. And this is, let's do 70. Or maybe 3000 because it goes there. Okay guys, it's getting into really good shape. I just need to increase the max history to 5. I think it's gonna be really good at the end. Okay, so this should be pretty stable now. Why is it not showing F4, man? I think I'm gonna set this to 3 again. Guys, I try my best to stabilize it. Alright. Let me show it to you now. Okay, let's go with A4. Wait, it's not showing anything now. It's just concerning. Did I break it? I think I break it. Almost. Okay, A4. I mean, it's almost there. Just set this to two notes again. That's on the pi. Not yet on the pi, it's on ESP. Actually, funny thing, I tried to run Rust2 on PSP today. I have a old one, PlayStation Portable. I'm getting a crash for some reason. I didn't have time to debug it, but I think it should be possible. I don't know why I'm getting a crash. Maybe it's in the back end. Somewhere maybe there's something going wrong, but I don't know. I couldn't figure it out. It just says something like core dumped, and that's all. That's all you get from the logs. It's kind of annoying. You gotta use GDB to debug it or something, which is something that I'm not looking forward to. Okay, so let me show you again. A4. Why is it not working, man? What the hell? It works when I just put it very close to the speaker. Or just never mind, it's not working. For some reason there's like a lot of DC noise. What the hell? Okay. I was getting something. I'm getting a lot of noise. Wait, is it maybe about the cable or something? Kind of works. I don't know how I'm gonna show you here because literally, okay, I'll do my best. I'm getting really creative over here to show it to you. 1 second. Okay. Getting really creative. How can I play a note now? I don't know. I'm not seeing my screen, but yeah, whatever. You get the idea. It's kind of stable now. I think. So I kind of reached my goal here. I need to try this out with my guitar. Cannot know for certain without doing that, I think. Let me commit this. What was this method called? That's not what I want. Use node history for more correct page detection. Or just make it vague. Okay, I'm gonna use a vague commit message. Do more correct pitch detection. Give me a short summary for what I can do for better pitch detection. Let me just post my findings. There seems to be a couple of ways of achieving this. We play a window function for smoothing. Okay. Filter low amplitude and frequency. Most common pitch over last and frames. Actually, I'm curious what happens if I apply a window function. But now I think it's in good shape. I'm doing 2 and 3 for embedded for now, and it seems to work fine. All right. I think for the next step I can just design the guitar tabs widget and just render them. I'm just gonna apply the low frequency cutoff to this backhand as well. This to here as well. No, yes. Cut low and high frequencies for better pitch detection. Oh, I made a typo. Alright, push. Alright, I'm gonna leave the link to chat if anyone wants to try this out in the terminal. So yeah, guys, I think that's all for today. I'm gonna kill Rust Analyzer again. It's just using 2 gigs of RAM. I guess thanks for tuning in, everybody. I'm gonna see you tomorrow or later. I'll try to keep it consistent, so probably tomorrow, but let's see. I don't know what will happen tomorrow, so yeah, either way, I guess join Discord if you don't want to miss these announcements, and if you want to, like, if you have a question or anything, or if you have anything cool to share with us, join Discord. So yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. Nicola, Eric, Ferris, Cosmic Electron exists for a while. Thanks, everybody. See you in the next one. I'm out.